Session 12 focuses on education. To begin in Session 12, you will complete the textbook reading and quizzes in Chapter 17. Please note that this week you do not have a journal assignment. I'm cutting the journal assignments for the next few weeks in order to make way for the final project that will be introduced in Session 14. I'm hoping that by giving you a little bit of extra time in the next few sessions to not worry about journals, but to accomplish other things in other classes, that you'll then have some extra time in the end of the semester to complete your final project. So, after you have completed the chapter reading and the textbook quizzes for Chapter 17, the only assignment that you have to complete is the Understanding Education in Society writing activity. Now, you are a master of doing writing assignments by now, so you know how to make a copy of the assignment. Please keep in mind that this is going to ask you to watch 3 different videos. You'll need to watch those videos in order to better complete the 3 theories part of this writing assignment. Please don't skip the videos. After watching the videos, you'll complete a reflection for number 2. Evidence from the video must be present in your reflection. For the 3rd part of the writing assignment, you will focus on the macro, micro, and super micro factors that could improve education. For number 4, you are going to focus on explaining the function of education through the 3 theories. Now keep in mind, the videos that you watched in the top of this writing assignment will be very helpful here. Also, I have highlighted for you the 3 sections in your textbook where the theories are discussed. So, if you return to your textbook, section 17.3 will discuss the function of education through the lens of structural functionalism. Section 17.4 will discuss the function of education through conflict theory. And section 17.5 will discuss the function of education through symbolic interactionism. Remember, you can use a bulleted list here. Evidence that you have read the textbook and watched the videos must be present. And finally, you'll wrap up this week's writing assignment with a reflection. Once you have completed that writing assignment and submitted it, you will be done with Session 12. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and I will be happy to help you.